Okay, everybody, they're done. That's just how I like them. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not perfect, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You can hear them crackling. I like them a little bit darker, like that. So I think we did well. I hope everybody tries this recipe and has success with it. If you got any questions, let me know. You need to let these rest now for a couple hours until they cool. It's going to be really hard, but you gotta let everything set up. Otherwise, you'll lose some flavor, some texture. But well, here, let's do this. Since we're in experimentation phase here, I'll just kind of show you what you're looking for on the inside. Hang on a second. Alright, you ready? Sounds nice and hollow. Looks good. This is blasphemy here, but we're going to go ahead and do it. Since we have two. Okay. Here we go. This is it. This is the crumb shot. See how nice and airy it is inside? And this is what a good sourdough looks like. Some people in their crumb, the crumb is obviously the soft part, crust. You can see how the bubbles extend all the way around to the outside. That means this was fermented and proofed really perfectly. This is a really nice loaf, and that's why it's so important to develop your starter, to be patient with it, and to make sure that you can predict how long it's going to take for it to double. And we did that, and the results are fantastic. This is going to take good. I think we're going to have to get the butter out. Can you see that? It's still crackling. It's hot too. This is why we do what we do.